Oh, we got a car coming in. It's coming in hot.
El de la bicicleta.
Oh,
Ahorita
you
que no
gotta
lo
watch
agarres,
out for the guy on the
sí.
bike. You gotta watch out for the guy on the bike.
Tiene que salir. Sí.
Hey.
Hey.
All right.
Hey.
We're outside.
We're outside, as you can tell.
We're not outdoors people.
Today on Insurance Talk, we're going to talk about why our clients sometimes come in and ask us, why did my price go up? Or why did my monthly bill go up? You get a lot of that, Diana?
I get a lot of that, Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Hi, it's Jeff. So we have to explain to our clients why rates go up sometimes. Sometimes it's because it's state surcharges, right? Is that correct?
Right.
So the state has changes, and then therefore the rates change. That's completely out of our control. A lot of it has to do with the claims. If you've had claims, whether on your homeowner's insurance or on your auto insurance, it's going to affect you on your renewal.
Obviously.
So basically, if you had a claim at the beginning of the year and your renewal is not until July, you might not see any rate change until July when the renewal kicks in.
Right.
And that's when our clients have those questions like, why did those rates change?
Why? Why?
If you have traffic tickets, it's going to affect you.
Yes, it will.
Any ticket that you have, it's going to follow you for 3 years. If you go to traffic school, it helps.
It does help.
Okay. If you hit another vehicle, if your car gets stolen and you had a claim, a lot of people wonder why sometimes you pay lower auto insurance depending on where you live.
It's depending on zip codes.
Give me an example of that, Diana.
Well, the prices in Phoenix are a lot higher for car insurance because of the zip code, because there's a bigger population of people versus the people here in Yuma.
So if I live in a city where there's more cars, more accidents, more claims, it's probably going to be higher on my insurance than if I live, because of the risk, right?
Right.
The risk involved. It's probably going to be higher rates than if I live in a more rural community.
Right.
Okay, so basically if you live in the zip code, like in the foothills, 85367, you might have a better rate than somebody that lives in the city of Yuma, 85364.
Right.
But like I said, it all depends on what the statistics show in ratings. We talked about a couple of statistics that the state gave us on last episode, episode 12. This is episode Scary 13, and that's why we're out here getting scary in the street. If I've had accidents or claims, or how can I actually save on my coverages, on my premium? What type of discounts are available?
Well, like we said, there's a multiple discounts that many companies offer. Like, for example, that mobile discount that targets, your driving. That could be a discount that could be added onto your insurance policy if they offer it. But I mean, if you speed, it might not be the best one. So it would be best to see if you can bundle like your home and auto or your renter's insurance.
Your life
insurance, motorcycle insurance.
Your ATV insurance, whatever.
Right.
If you bundle, if you have it at separate companies, you're going to lose out on that savings.
Right.
Okay. You can do paperless. Does that, like if you get signed up for emails and stuff like that, usually a lot of companies give you a discount for that.
Right.
Just for having an email address.
And it saves the environment.
Paperless can help you save money by having an email. We also have pay plans, different pay plans. Monthly, the premium mode is going to be higher than if you pay at a one pay, right?
For 6 months.
For 6 months. If you make a one-time payment for 6 months, you're going to pay lower premium than if you pay monthly.
Right.
If you have a routing and account number, if you have a checkings account, that can give you a discount. Debit cards, if you come in and pay cash every month, it's probably going to be higher than if you have it hooked up to your bank account where we would draw it automatically. That's another discount that's available. Any other discounts out there?
Well, for certain type of occupations, there's companies that provide you with the discount. If you were ever military, a firefighter, police, teachers, doctors, nurses, there's bunch of different
At our
discounts.
company, we call it the affinity discount,
The
which
affinity.
means it depends on whatever occupation you do. We might be able to give you a discount.
Right.
So always check with your insurance agent and let them know, hey, what discounts do you have? You know, when you go in there to make your payment, when you go in there to make changes. Many insurance companies offer a 6-month policy. Some companies offer a yearly policy. On homes, usually it's a yearly policy. If you do a yearly policy on auto, your rates will not change for an entire year. So that's something you need to talk to your insurance agent about and say, hey, can I do a yearly policy compared to, ooh, that salsa. Hey.
Hey, somebody's bumping back there.
I can't wait to bump and see you guys next week on Insurance Talk.
Stay tuned. That van is coming in hot.